If I lose this lure, I will not be fishing for the rest of the day.
It's either a stick or I'm getting bites. It's a stick. Oh, thanks, man. There's those guys over there. You've seen that.
You lost that.
Yep, Ethan.
It's okay, we're coming this way.
Just got the tube out of the tree. Whoa. Let's get back to work. We're on this opposite side of the log. See that cast? I wouldn't be surprised if there's a fish on. Yeah. Let's get out of here. There's no fish over here. Whoa. Oh boy, oh boy. Well, I have my polarized sunglasses on, and I do see a fish underneath this red leaves over here. So, let me just... That's my tube. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that tree has red leaves. I'm just going to cast under it, because with my polarized sunglasses, I can see a fish underneath it. So, I'm about to catch a fish.
That's what's up.
As you can tell, Tommy doesn't have polarized sunglasses, so he cast it over there where there's no fish. Cast was just a little off. Fish is more over here. Yep, fish is not in the tree. There is a fish underneath. Right over.
There's a fish in Burnett's tree. You remember that?
Shut up. Cut that out.
Love it.
Guys, they're going to get into that corner where I catch my fish faster than I am, so it's going to be a problem, Ethan. Because that's not going to let... Well, I want to hit this dock first, silly. I'm just scared of something. Oh yeah, there's something. Yep, there's something big over here. You know, and I got big bait, so big bait equals big fish. Big fish equals big trophies. Big trophies. What? I feel like he's stupid. Has that boat always been there, or am I tripping?
That boat is not always.
I didn't think it has. Watch this. Just a good old little floater. That's all you need. That's all you need. Those guys over there think it's cool to cast the length of a football field, but really it's all about the little cast. Gotcha again. Not a fish. I love how I can't fish because I'm in the back. This is what I get for not bringing my hook. Cut that out. I just caught a fish. Like some cast you cast and you know it's a fish. That's a fish. They come. Forget it. Forget it. This happened last time I fished here. Watch this. That fish. Yep, that fish just thinks that I'm injured. I'm injured, and oh gosh, well, fish just ran away. He just scared every fish in our pond. You want to get me on the other side of this pontoon where I can catch a fish?
You ever wondered like what bites around here?
What bites?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What's gonna catch fish today?
I don't ever wonder that. I just know whatever bait I have on is gonna probably catch at least one fish. At least. I'll probably put back there. I'll put my frog on. I'll start. You'll watch like literally. What the? Woo, fellas. Oh, that's right. I just scared off all of our. Hey, you want to put me over there in that corner where I catch bass?
No way.
Oh, is that a stick or a bass?
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Did you feel that too?
Yeah.
Did we both hit the same stick or the same fish? Oh, we're getting close. We almost just swallowed water. I'm gonna hurry up and change this one. Did you just catch a fish?
No, I just missed one.
Oh, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Guys, so at the beginning of the video, they took our sunflower seeds. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna catch their sunflower seeds with a Victor Royale. Ethan, we're too far to reach the sunflower seeds. Stick your beak. Mayday, mayday, mayday! Hold my, no,
No! I cost $50. I bet they're gonna pay money.
You know, watch me catch a fish right in front of you guys. Guys, we were so close. Hey, you ever played Battleship? Well, we're the big old Battleship, and you're that little one that only you have to hit twice.
Or once.
Or once. Because you guys are little. Unlike our Battleship.
I guarantee you guys
Dang it! Dang it! Alright, send me to the corner. So
I was trying to like hook onto the boat so I could pull us close.
Oh, I was gonna try and hook onto the seeds.
I was just trying to hook Andrew. Andrew's got. Oh, I thought he got stuck. Can you turn right? I just had a bite. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna catch any fish.
I have a lot of doubt.
I hate to see it, but guys, I'm back. Got a new bait on.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
Oh wow!
No way.
You almost. What are you doing?
I got one and then it came back and bit it again.
Oh, I'm sure it did. Ow! Just tore a calf muscle. I think I just broke my calf.
Alright.
Wait, was your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Get some water in the bucket.
Oh! Look at him! It's a good sized fish. He kind of swallowed it. Oh. Wow. See? There we go.
What did you catch it on?
Shag-a-mac. Shaky head. Same thing. Yep, there we go. That's for you, Dane. Right there. That's for you, Dane.
Oh, let me smack it.
No. There we go, Tommy. Good distribution of the clear water and the dirty water. That's a good sized fish, fellas. I think that's good enough to win me a tournament, or whatever this is. This is for you, Dane. Can't beat that. Hey, yep, I'm pretty good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's see. Yep. That's my fish, Tommy. If you want to catch one, I suggest put your pole, your what's it called out there? Your poppy. Throw your poppy out there. We're ending this at 6 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Huh. We still got 1 whole hour.
Is it 5? You're lying. You're so lying.
See here, I just got me a shaky head on right now. Looks good. Zoom, it's a zoomer. I'm sponsored by Zoom, as you've seen in the other videos. I got some hats by them. Okay, maybe I'm not sponsored, but sorry. I'll probably go catch another fish. There's no way that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. Oh, I got it! Looks like there's stuff in the big blue ocean. There's also pepper on my... That's what I call a victory royale. Big boy!
I watched it.
He come off. They're back here. There's like a family. Shoot. I like catching fish, Tommy. Yep. I just had one.
When you take one, we're gonna put this bad boy on high. Oh wait.
Just start running the other direction. Plus 5 power to the fish. There's our fish in there. He's still doing good.
The fish can hear that. What is that thing?
All I gotta say is, did you see me catch that fish?
I did not.
I said, I'm feeling lucky. Gosh, bro, how did I miss that? You know what's gonna be awesome? When my fish that's in this bucket jumps out of the bucket. It's gonna be awesome. Don't.
No, it's still on.
Yeah, Tommy, don't touch it because he's gonna kill himself like he did last time we set him in here. He hit all 6 sides of the box.
Wait.
Hey, should I just gonna pull down this thing?
Imagine catching my line, Tommy.
Don't have to imagine.
Again. You know, I could have a better day. I mean, we see me miss some fish, but hey, I'm feeling confident because, I mean, in the past videos you've seen these 4 guys fish. It's not impressive. Okay, it's not impressive. I mean, I got 1 fish in the boat. I just feel pretty good about it. Don't know what Andrew and another guy have. I don't know what they got. Tommy and Ethan, I don't know what they have either. They're not letting me turn my head to the other side of the boat. It's weird. Hear a lot of splashing though on that other side. A lot of splashing. Too much splashing.
Alright, so we only got the 1 fish. We're gonna stick you guys in with the fish, and we're gonna see what he does. Don't do that. Fish out of water! Fish out of water! Is he live?
I think so. I think
Alright.
this is the only fish we caught today, so drop him in the water. Let go.